So what a beautiful morning, actually a Sunday morning in Sri Lanka. So I'm staying in my home garden. The time is around 6:10 a.m. So I'm just doing some bird watching, and I thought to take you also with this tour. So I welcome all of you to the RUSLexplorer channel. So let's get together in this morning and do some bird watching. So on most of this, the first bird I see in my home garden is a bulbul, and there's a bulbul somewhere here. I don't know whether you can see it. Where is the fellow? I saw the fellow somewhere here. Where are you? So actually it rained last night, and here it is, and it's really wet outside. And so those are the bulbuls on the roof. Here are they. So the one here is a yellow-billed babbler, which is not clear. Now it's on the top of the roof. So that's a yellow-billed babbler. So look at the beautiful skyline with the stunning clouds in the east flank of the sky. So let's wait for some time and see what are the other birds we can observe in this morning. Right, so when I talk about birds, and if you are a continuous viewer in my channel, you know that Sri Lanka is very famous for migrant birds, and of course there's a season where they come. Mainly they come to Sri Lanka in mid-October, and they leave the Sri Lanka mid-March. So it is of course the end of the March, and most of the migrants go away from the country. So by now I have noticed around 3 to 4 species of migrant birds who actually came to my home garden. So if I name them, they are the who are these birds, like the Indian paradise flycatcher, then the Asian brown flycatcher, and the forest wagtail. So these birds were really flying in my garden from tree to tree, but now I see them very rarely. So I think most of them have left the country. And also there's another bird I forgot to tell, that is the blue-tailed bee-eater. So they were very abundant in my home garden and the surroundings, but now only few of them can be seen. So I guess they also have, majority of them have left the country. So yeah, it's a beautiful morning. Actually, if you are doing bird watching, you should do it in the early morning, somewhere when the sun rises, and up to 10 a.m. in the morning, and the other time period is in the evening, somewhere after 4 p.m. So that's how bird watching goes in Sri Lanka. So the time is around 6:20 a.m. and still there is time for us to do some interesting bird watching. So yeah, so I'm patiently waiting to get some good footages for all of you. So stay tuned. Right, now the time is around 6:30 a.m. and the sun is gradually rising with the beautiful sceneries in the surroundings. So this is the eastern flank of the sky, the beautiful sunset So still I'm keeping my eye on some birds who come to my home garden just to record and show it to you, but still they haven't arrived. Looks like a beautiful day. The beautiful sunset backdrops from Sri Lanka and staying in my home garden. I saw a lot of bee eaters flying in the sky, and some egrets as well, but still I couldn't get a closer view, so that's why I'm waiting patiently. So by now we are looking at the beauty of the sunset, so hope you will enjoy it. So it's very nice. I hope it will be more beautiful in another half an hour. So just wait. Keep on watching the video continuously. So this is a brown-headed barbet. It's not clear, but yeah, it flew away. So that was a brown-headed barbet. So this sound you can hear in this background, it's the sound of the common tailor bird. In Sinhala it is known as batticha. There's another bird here, beautiful bird. I'm not sure which bird is this. I think I am seeing this fellow for the first time. It's going more inwards into the tree. Here it is. It's a white-eye. Jesus, it's a white-eye. And here's the barbet. Here's the barbet. Here's the fellow. This is the brown-headed barbet. In local language, it is known as the kottorua, Polos kottorua. Yeah, it saw me, so it flew away. That was barbet. Interesting. So it looks like a great day to do bird watching. So there are more and more birds to come. So I heard the call of a black-hooded oriole. And lots of small birds like the munias, then the purple ram sunbirds are flying here and there in this beautiful morning. Some European babblers also there. You can see, because I don't have a good clear zoom through this camera lens. But let's patiently wait and see the other birds which can be seen in my home garden. So the sunset is becoming more and more beautiful as well. So this is a spotted dove. Amazing, I all of a sudden saw this bird, and it's not a timid one. A very common bird in Sri Lankan home gardens. So yeah, of course I can get a very clear footage. And recently I saw two newborn spotted doves just above my room window. So they are so cute and very innocent. When I was small, there wasn't any spotted doves abundant in my home garden, but after 2010, and all of a sudden they kept their population increasing. So now everywhere in the country you can see these kind of birds. So really interesting, so cute, and not a timid one. Local language it is known as in local language it is known as alukabeya. So let's keep on watching. So there's a common tailor bird here. I don't know whether you can see the fellow. So it went inside the trees, and I still can't see the fellow. So the sun is rising, it's so nice. The surroundings, very beautiful. And look at this skyline. So nice, what a beautiful Sunday. Of course, the last Sunday of this month. So such a beautiful day in Sri Lanka. I'm really amazed and really loving this day and this moment. So here's another bird over here. Looks like a that's a white-eye. This is a white-eye. Look at this bird. It went inside, but it still can be seen. That's a white-eye. I have seen the white-eyes previously in my home garden, but after a long time I saw the fellow again. So really happy to share the experience with you. Let's get a close look, but it's not that easy. So though these birds are very small, they can see us very clearly, and they can hid themselves inside these trees. And here's the fellow. Yeah, here's the fellow. You can't record the fellow because I get a lot of backlight. That's the one, yeah, here it is. Here's the fellow. Wow. Here's the fellow. That's it. Wow, here is the fellow. You can see a white color ring around its eye, but not fully closed. It's open at one end. Such a beautiful bird. But the Ceylon white-eye is the endemic white-eye to Sri Lanka, and they can be seen in the hill country. So what an amazing day with lots of exotic birds in the home garden. Fellow is still there. Let's see whether we can get a clear look. It's here. That's the fellow. That's it. It flew away. So this is a kind of citrus fruit in my home garden. In local language it is called nasnara. I don't know what you call in English. So let's wait patiently. There are more birds to watch and show you. The time is around 7 a.m. in the morning still, and there is enough time until 10 a.m. in the morning to see these fellows. So this is a white-breasted drongo. So actually the time is around 2 p.m. and it's about rain. So over here is red-vental bulbul. So still birds are coming to the home garden. It's really cold outside as well. There was a magpie robin also. I can't find the fellow. Let's see. Alright, now the time is around 10 a.m. and now the sun has already shined and it's a little hot at this moment. So the bird watching session in the morning comes to an end. So if I summer up the birds we saw in my home garden today is the red-vented bulbul, the yellow-billed babbler, brown-headed barbet, then I saw Indian white-eye, then the drongo, then I saw Asian quail, a male, the black color one, and then we saw the black-hooded oriole, then the purple-rump sunbird, and what else? And many more birds. And recently I heard the call of a flameback. So likewise there are a lot of birds that can be seen in the morning session in Sri Lanka, mainly in home garden. So if you are local or if you like to start bird watching as a hobby, you can do it. You can follow the channel, you can get some idea. So that's why I'm creating these videos. So I think it is time to wind up the early morning bird watching experience video. So thank you for watching if you did it from the beginning, honestly. So please put into action what you learned, and share that experience with your friends and the like-minded people, as I always mention. So yeah, you can give a thumbs up, and you know what to do behalf of the channel if you are interested, and I will also definitely help you vice versa. So that's all for this video. Thank you for watching once again, and let's meet next week with another random video. It might be about a bird, or maybe about travel, or something important regarding to hobbies. So bye bye for today. Hi Boan, and take care.